Please like, subscribe, and consider supporting our channel. The full raw, uncensored, no narrations, no captions, and unedited version of this bodycam footage can be found in the description below. Please consider joining our YouTube channel membership. Subscriptions and donations will be used to acquire more public footage related to law enforcement activities. It really helps us do original full-length reporting like this. Sharing this video serves a compelling public interest because it is intended to illustrate the consequences of their actions and discourage others doing so. Defendants are considered innocent until proven guilty. Thank you all for the support.
I would just pick up the six. I said I was just pick up the six. Eu vou pagar só mais depois.
Around 4:11 p.m. on June 5, 2025, officers Rivera and Vega with the Hoboken Police Department responded to a report of a detained shoplifter at ShopRite on 900 Madison Street. They entered the store and walked upstairs to the loss prevention office. The alleged shoplifter was identified as Christine Varcadipane. She tried to justify her actions with a sob story.
Hey, how are you? Long story short, she was here earlier today at 2:18 p.m., concealed Harbor products inside the bag and exited without paying. Then she returned to the store at 3:30 p.m., concealed more items in the bag and exited without paying. We stopped her and we got our items back from earlier and from recently.
So you got everything back?
Yes. Yeah. The total is correct. 93, 95. This is your receipt.
It's the same number that called you. All you have to do is go into your call and hit that button. 201.
Are you video?
Sorry?
The video.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Hold on 1 second. 158.
This is earlier today at 2:18 p.m. So right there.
Give me one second, sir. Hold on 1 second, okay? Okay, just tell me first.
And then she came back at 3:30 p.m.
Spell your name for me.
Coming back. So she grabbed the same drink again. Passed it in her hand.
When you say you did it yesterday? For what store?
For the one on
New Jersey City store?
yes.
Yeah, that's why I left you a message and told you to call the store and leave me a message at the store. I'm in Hoboken for now.
The officers were told that Christine allegedly entered the store for the first time that day around 20:18 p.m. and left the store with stolen items. After stealing once and getting away with it, she returned to the store around 3:30 p.m., concealed more items inside her bag with items that she had previously stolen, and attempted to exit the store. This time, she was detained by store security. A receipt printout indicated that the total value of items she stole was $93.95.
So then she goes to about 19.
Help you once I get back in that store. This is what I'm looking at. Okay. It's okay. So the number is 201-418-0300. Just tell me you want to speak to the hiring manager. They'll connect you to my extension.
Then she opens this box, takes one item from there, and returns the box.
0300. You're welcome.
Seals everything in the purse.
This is the second one?
This is the second one, correct. She takes some bread. Now she's going to exit, run MP, do self-checkout.
Check your phone. Answer your phone, your text. Good. Bye. Okay. You want to send it to Queen?
Yeah.
Okay.
After reviewing the surveillance footage, Officer Vega placed Christine under arrest for shoplifting. The officers transported her to the Hoboken Police Department for further processing. She was charged with shoplifting under 2C21B1 and released pending her court appearance.
That's your suit? That bag, right?
Yeah, that's my first. That's my first stuff. So wherever my husband decided I can't go back to the southern and staying in the hotel. Sitting in the park. It's a bad time.
So you have anything?
No.
I don't see any pockets or anything, but what do you have under those? Shorts?
Be able to attach.
Okay, let me just go. Okay, so she just fixed it. I can take this one.
Yeah, yeah.
Can I get a case number?
48464.
I know your stuff is in the system, but I'm just gonna take it away so I can send it. I'll send you the account link and then you can send me the video.
The email or
Yeah.
write it down?
Yeah, go ahead. Thank you. And Rivera.
That's number 146. And what is your 160? Thank you, appreciate it.
That's hers?
Yeah,
Are you sure that's hers?
that's mine.
Makeup?
Medical examiner has taken the 3-6. I gotta make a 12 and TV some company. Appreciate that.
You alright?
Yeah.
Shouldn't be long to that quarter. So you good there? You feel the air? Oh, where is it? Thank you. Alright, transporting one female 10 to 5 to headquarters. Starting now, just going to be 9668.0.
So hot. You have against the county? Yes. Excuse me? How long ago?
What's that?
Receive that.
1 0. Swing at HQ 9669.3. 9669.3. Yes, speed it up, speed it up. That's our yellow sign. Okay. Okay. Sit on the bench. Alright, I'm gonna stand up. I'm gonna cuff you, and then each hand you can on the wall. Okay. Put on.
Do you have anything on you that's gonna hurt us on focus?
Alright, sit down.
Take your shoes off, please.
Court records indicate that Christine had previously been arrested for stealing from the same ShopRite on December 26, 2022. She also has prior arrests for shoplifting in Hoboken on April 10, 2019, Jersey City on June 7, 2018, and Union City on October 10, 2017. Following this incident, Christine was later arrested again for shoplifting in Lyndhurst, New Jersey on June 9, 2025.
Alright, female secured to the bench, I'll be there, okay?